Crafters, welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. Thank you for joining me tonight for Blitz Your Kitz, which is a collaboration of a few other women crafters that are working to clean up some of their kits or use up items that collaborate as a kit. And so the first month we will show you what the kit is going to be. The second month we will show you then that kit completed, and then it's one more kit out of our pile of kits. So this month I'm going to be doing one. We were supposed to do one that was kind of springy or floral or Easter in regards to the papers that we use. So this one is not as old as some of my other kits, but I have many of those packed away because I am moving in the next couple of months and I had to get some things packed up. So this one though is from January, so it's not from this month. It is a floral pattern paper that has the months of the year. It's called Flower Market, and it is a card kit. So they gave us cards with envelopes. We have some of the journaling cards, and then some of these paper flowers that can get put together. And we get directions for putting together these cards. And they have directions on the back of all the cards that you can create. So my plan is to for sure get this done by next month so that I can show you that. If I have some extra time, I'm going to try and get, this is the kit for January with the Flower Market kit that is making a framed monthly calendar. And I just thought it was very pretty with the florals and the butterflies. So if I can, I'm going to try to get this done as well. And this came with the 12 by 12 pad with some chipboard, of course our directions, excuse me, the chipboard pieces, ephemera pieces, and then also a packet of the ephemera pieces. So that was what was in the kit. The other thing that they're starting to do now is if you get the Graphic 45 journal kit or album kit, you could get a big pin with a Flower Market design, and then this is the one that I got from the card kit, and it goes along with that. So I thought they were very pretty buttons. I especially liked this larger one with the florals on it. I thought it was really pretty. Not sure what I'm going to really do with it other than put it onto a bulletin board, but we'll see. We'll see what we're going to end up doing with that. So that is the kit. The kit for sure, I'm going to do these card set. And if I have enough time, I'd like to do this desk calendar as well. So hopefully you'll see both of them next month, and I look forward to seeing you real soon, and thank you so much for spending time with me. Have a good evening.